This is our 144 polyurethane 2-component sealer. Everything's pre-measured, so we use the entire contents of both A and B. You don't try to break it down because everything's pre-measured and very precise, so you use the entire contents. So you're going to pre-mix the A part, and you're going to mix it basically with a wooden paddle. You don't want to use a drill motor because a high-speed drill motor introduces air into it, and when you introduce air into it is when you get air bubbles in your finished surface. Again, you're going to use the entire contents of both the A and the B. Everything's pre-measured. You cannot break up the kits into smaller kits. We have a 2-minute mixing period and then a 2-minute induction period. Once it sits for 2 minutes, after the 2 minutes of mixing, we'll pour it in the paint pan. So now we've mixed the product for 2 minutes. It sat for 2 minutes during the induction period, and now we're going to pour it in the paint pan. If you were to leave it in the bucket, you only have 30 minutes of working time. It cures much quicker in mass. When you put it in a paint bucket, in a little bit larger area, you'll have 90 minutes to work with it. Everything you can out of the bucket. However, do not take the bucket and turn it upside down on the floor, because you may have some part A and part B that wasn't mixed together properly, and then you'll always have a sticky spot on your floor. So whatever left in the bucket, leave it in the bucket. So if you're using a 9-inch roller, you always have a heavy edge of the roller. This should always be your leading edge. So this heavy end should always be towards your dry side, so you don't leave a line or a mark of the product itself. So you don't want to use it this way and move this way. You want to use it this way and move the dry side. 18-inch roller, there's not a heavy side. It's centered and it's held on both sides, so it doesn't matter which side you use as your leading edge.